If you want to earn with the biggest and most popular affiliate program in the world, I'm talking about the Amazon Affiliate Program, you need to become an Amazon Associate. Okay, I'm finally ready to apply myself. Join me and let's go through the application process.
Tonight's program is brought to you by Spaceballs, the most extravagant, futuristic movie ever made, coming to a theater near you.
If you have an audience, whether it be through your website, blog, app, channel, social media account, or even an email list, you can advertise and sell over 1 million products that Amazon offers. You can earn up to 10% of the price of the items that are purchased through your links. And not only that, you can earn from other qualifying purchases, meaning if they clicked your affiliate link to a particular product but bought something else, you can still earn a commission on that sale. Okay, let's apply to be an Amazon Associate right now. Let's go to affiliate-program.amazon.com. Let's join now for free. And what I'm going to do is sign in with my regular Amazon account instead of creating a new account. It's up to you if you want to separate your Amazon Affiliate Program account with your regular Amazon account. But for me, I'm going to just use the same account. Okay, we're at the beginning of creating our Amazon Associates account. My name and address and phone number. Click Next. List all the top level websites and or mobile apps on which you plan to display banners, widgets, special links, or other ads from Amazon Associates. You need at least one website or mobile app. You can add up to 50 websites or mobile apps. So let's enter my website. Click here. So I only have one domain or one website to submit, so let's click Next. Are any of the websites or apps listed above directed primarily at children? No. Since my site is not about children or directed to children, click No here and confirm. Okay, now this is the profile section. What is your preferred associate store ID? Sharing your passion. What are your websites or mobile apps about? Video and graphics production. Which of the following topics best describe your website or mobile apps? Computers. And secondary is education. What type of Amazon items do you intend to list on your websites or app? Movies, music, and games. What type are your websites? Content or niche website? Secondary type. Comparison. Traffic and monetization. How do you drive traffic to your websites? SEO, blogs, lead generation. Paid search eventually. How do you utilize your websites to generate income? eBay, other affiliate programs. Secondary. How do you usually build links? Blogger, WordPress. Visitors is your website and apps get per month. I get 5,000 views per month, so. What is your primary reason for joining Amazon Associates Program? Of course, it's to monetize my site. How did you hear about us? GC. I agree and finish. Thanks for applying, and your unique associate ID is sharing your PA-20. Okay, your application will be reviewed shortly after you referred qualified sales to Amazon.com. In the meantime, you have been granted the full access to Associates Central 24 hours a day. Okay, so I'm approved initially, but I'm not fully approved until I send some sales over to them. Will they review it manually and give me the official approval? If your affiliate links have not referred qualified sales after 180 days, your application and access to Associates Central will be withdrawn. Enter tax information now, okay. Okay, after filling out the information and the forms, you will be automatically approved because this is just the initial approval stage where it's just automated, but you don't have an official Amazon Associate account approval just yet. You need to drive at least 3 qualified sales within 180 days from now. So we just made it past the automated approval process. Now you can use their links. You can put it into your website, your channels, and start promoting the Amazon products related to your niche. Now that my account is ready, let's go to the Amazon Associates page. This is the home page, and here are your earnings. Of course, it's nothing because I've just started this account. So what I need to do is look for some products that I can promote. So let's go to product linking, product links. Okay, here is where I can enter some keywords for some products I'm looking for. For example, let's take this microphone I'm using. I'm using the Zoom H4n, I believe. Okay, this is it. Zoom H4n Pro. This is the exact microphone I am speaking into right now. So I can get a link for this and get a commission based on this $219 sale price. So just click here on the down arrow, and this is the HTML link if you're gonna post it into your blog page or website, or go for this shorten URL with Amazon.to. So now you have a really short, nice link that you can paste into your YouTube description. So let's copy that and see what it looks like when we click on it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. If you create a video and you mention that this is the microphone you use, and you tell them to click the link in your description, you'll get credit. If somebody purchased this, you'll get between 1 to 10%. Probably it might be in the 3 or 5% range. There you go. You can now start posting your short links in your YouTube descriptions, in your blog posts. A really cool feature here is product linking, link to any page. It allows you to link to popular pages, for example, computers section and laptops page, which is this. You can link to this as well and earn from sending people onto this page, the general laptops page. You do that by simply selecting the product line, computers, tablets, components here, and subcategory of laptops. Get HTML, you'll get this, and that's the page they'll send you to. There's 3 parts to this. The other one is link to search results, meaning you do a keyword search on the Amazon search bar, and for example, you select a product line, computers again, and enter your keyword laptops, name your link, you get the HTML once you click this, and they'll send you to the results page like this, as if somebody search from your website, and you'll be paid for any one of these laptops that they buy. Thirdly, it's linked to any page. So my laptop is this. This is the specific page of my laptop in Amazon. This is not an affiliate link yet, but when I grab this link, when I visit any product in Amazon, I just have to copy the link, bring it over to this link to any page, paste it here, get HTML, and this is what it gave me, and it takes me here. Now this page is an affiliate link, meaning if somebody buys off this page, I'll get credit because my tag, my ID is right here. So pretty much you can find any product in Amazon and you can create a affiliate link to it and put it wherever you need in your website, app, or channel, and social media. And there you go, and happy selling!